Welcome back to Kansas Weather Watch. I'm meteorologist Josh Duncan, and it was a dreary Thursday for many areas with rain across southeast Kansas and western Kansas. And even the places that didn't see rain, it was still awfully gloomy with a lot of cloud cover. But we've got more rain on the way to Kansas for Friday. So here's a look at future view. Most areas will be mainly dry tonight, but we'll have some lingering showers across northwest Kansas. And then after midnight, we'll be watching Oklahoma for some developing rain that's going to move into southern Kansas for your Friday morning commute. It looks like it'll move in mainly after 6 o'clock in the morning to Wichita, up to Emporia, eventually on up to Topeka and Kansas City, kind of right along the Kansas Turnpike Friday morning. This will be light rain primarily, but it'll last quite a few hours in any one location. And then by mid-afternoon, that first wave winding down, but we'll still have some scattered showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms across southeast Kansas for Friday afternoon. Central and western Kansas, your rain chance is quite spotty throughout the day on Friday, but some of you will see a brief passing shower. And then by Friday evening, that second round of activity moves out mainly into Missouri. Most places will be largely dry Friday evening, but there will be another round, once again, of some rain and possibly a little bit of snow moving into southwest Kansas Friday night. And then for Saturday, we'll have some more rain in southeast Kansas. But temperatures tomorrow are going to be on the cooler side for sure. Cooler than today for many places with highs in the low to mid 50s. Just not warming up much. 54 in Topeka, 55 in Emporia, with rain likely throughout the morning and into the midday hours, and 51 the high in Dodge City. Here's the forecast in Wichita. It's mid-40s during the morning, and notice those temperatures don't budge much as we get into the afternoon, the high 54 degrees. Rain coming down most heavily around 8 o'clock. It'll become a little bit lighter late morning and then a little bit more isolated as we get later into the afternoon and on into Friday evening. Most places will be dry around Wichita Friday evening. Then Saturday, we step down those numbers a few degrees further. Temperatures not reaching any warmer than about 50 degrees for most of the state. Some places stuck in the 40s all day on Saturday. Oh, it's going to be a chilly day. And some rain will be continuing in southeast Kansas for the start of the weekend. Everyone else should be mainly dry for Saturday, but it's going to be breezy for sure with that cool air in place. Winds gusting out of the northeast on Saturday. That's a cold wind, and it's going to feel cold. Those gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour in many places. It's going to put wind chills down into the 30s and low 40s. So even if you don't see the rain on Saturday, you're probably going to want the jacket, if not the winter coat, for the start of the weekend. It's going to be a chilly day. 49 will be the high in Coffeyville with some rain around in southeast Kansas. Northeast winds sustained at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And then Sunday will be by far the better day of the weekend. Not a whole lot warmer, but it's going to feel a whole lot nicer. We get the rain out of here for everyone, and the sky becoming mostly sunny too. The winds lighter at about 10 to 15 miles per hour for Sunday. But that comes after a cold start to Sunday morning with temperatures that are going to be below freezing for most of the state, and some places way below freezing, waking up Sunday morning to temperatures in the low to mid 20s across western Kansas. More so 30s out east, but we'll still have a freeze for most of northeast Kansas for Sunday morning. And here's how the forecast shapes up over the next few days. Sunday's warmer, highs in the mid-50s for most areas. And then Monday, a big jump in temperatures, up into the 60s to near 70 for highs on Monday in Kansas. And let me tell you, that is just the start of many much warmer days to come as we head into next week. So get ready for that warm-up headed our way. That's your Thursday forecast update. Thanks for watching.